So here we are for the start of, we're going to call it Redneck Walleye 2012, and you understand why I say Redneck here in a second. Show you the boat, we're all set up. I'm going to pick up Jared and Rob here in a second, show you what we got going on. There's a boat. Yes, we are going to put 3 guys in a little 14-foot boat. Pretty well nicely rigged up though. Jared and I spent countless hours doing the motor, spent about 60 bucks in gas, driving around for a $14 piece, which was, need to say, funny, but it's fixed, it's up and running. We had to redo the wiring because I don't think house wiring is standard on a boat, so we redid the wiring, got the switches for the bilge pump, batteries up front, life jacket stuff, got my 3 rods, 2 of Jared's, all my tackles right under there. Right under there. Line in a bag, couple boxes, ready to go. Trolling motors in, so boat's all ready. See how we fish. We're gonna catch some fish. We're hooked up to my Chevy truck, ready to roll. I'll catch you in a little bit. So now we're here picking up Rob. We got Jared already loaded up. Hi Jared. Hi. Yeah, he looks ugly today. Remember, this is 3 guys going for a day. This is 2 of our gear. Yeah, we have too much shit. The grill loaded up. I think we're cooked while we're fishing on the river. Got the boat loaded up. Waiting on Rob. Always waiting on Rob. This boat's pretty. Still waiting on Rob. Still waiting on Rob. I don't know which one he lives in. I can't remember. Jared's cussing because his smartphone is not.
You're smarter than me, yeah. Just go ahead and say it.
Oh, that's a little bit close. The sad part is, I think this camera I'm holding costs more than my boat. Still not sure where Rob is. Oh, we're walking up. Goddamn people need to buy houses. A long walk and I'm old. Still walking. Still don't remember which one his apartment is. I think it's one of these. I'm gonna go with the one with the door open. Ah, there's Rob.
We're gonna try to catch fish in the rain.
It should be done raining by 10.
That's okay.
This is Rob. His
That's
house.
it. It's not much.
His wonderful house. He's got 3 rods, a bag.
That's all you need.
See,
Change of underwear.
no, this is how you pack. Compared to the rest of the shit, this is how you pack. Okay.
Alright, let's do this.
I walk down the stairs. I haven't seen Rob yet. Oh. This is like action shooting sports. Here we go. Oops, don't touch those buttons. Looking downstairs, trying not to kill myself or drop this camera. And shutting you off. I will see you when we get to, I don't know where the fuck we're going. Wherever. Bye. And here we are. We've arrived up in Green Bay at our fabulous Super 8. Rob is trying to hurry to get into the room.
You got the shit.
Jared is. Oh, that's an ugly head.
Hey, look, it's Joe. You clear bag.
That's not very nice.
I'm not like that. You don't need to be nice.
Oh, I'm getting too old for this.
Walking up and down. Jared, you're like 18. Shut up.
Yeah, what's our room number?
229.
Right here. You got a key, Spanky?
Yeah, but I got the camera.
Shut up.
Put the camera down, you'd be alright.
How do you work this thing?
Stick it in the hole. Don't play with it.
Stick it in the hole.
Just make it happen.
This was a smoking room, holy fuck.
Yeah, right?
Oh,
I'm
nice.
smoking my ass. And a fridge!
Yeah, nice little room here.
Joel, you're sleeping on the
fridge
floor.
is gonna smell like a 30-inch fish.
No,
Jared is on the floor
that's
tonight.
A bathtub.
That's our bed. Jared and I will end up sharing
Joel's sleeping in the fucking tub.
our other bed. Rob's got to poop, and there's Jared.
Watch him poop.
I will. I'll catch you back when we're on the water. Have fun. Bye bye.
This is fancy.
Here we go.
Alright, first fish of the trip, little cat. I'd say about 3 ounces.
So we were out here. We made a couple little drifts. Yeah, us.
There you go.
We're running 9 lines and a 14-foot bolt right now.
Want to film the release?
We're gonna film that release.
Little guy.
That is
wish you brought
precise
your
action. Jesus Christ.
The force is with
So
us.
I'll come back to you once we start get on the fish here pretty hard. It's not gonna be long. Bye. So Rob just hooked up here with a channel cat. Nice sized fish. That's always a cluster and a 14-foot bolt. A lot of fun. Nice job, Rob.
Oh, yeah.
Jared and I are more just sitting here stroking ourselves.
At least it feels good.
Caught that on see that fish?
Look at that beast.
Nice fish. Right there, it's pretty.
About probably 23 inches,
Nice fish.
8 pounds. It's heavy.
Let's get back to fishing. So we're at dock. We're trying to eat lunch. Jared broke my grill. Can't get anything going. As I said, this is Redneck walleye trip. There's the duct tape. Sorry for that.
My dear.
Beer, the monster, venison.
Alright.
Think you got it?
We're gonna have to hold this tank up, but I got an idea to hold it
I was
up.
gonna say, here, go farther.
Oh, it's gonna hurt.
Thank you, Coors. I hope you work.
Strike the match thing, right?
Nothing but a high-class establishment here.
Blow my fucking face off.
I hope so.
Shut it.
Shut it, Whitney.
Nice fucking.
Hey, it works. Oh?
That's flame.
Ah,
It
no,
was bigger than last time.
quick.
That
Get the
guy's
grill
too
on it.
close. Still going. It's spotting it up. Anthem. Small changes.
Is it out?
No, it's still there.
Going strong or no?
No, don't be stupid.
I don't know about strong. It's going though.
Going better than before.
Otherwise, you can go over by the bathroom.
That was my
I don't
suggestion.
know if it's the wind though. I mean, if it's all, coming out there. Still going.
Still there. All right.
It's a little better than last time.
I see flame through the back this time.
I
So,
was gonna say,
get back to you once we eat.
Don't toss that tape.
Alright, so we're back in the room. It's a lot earlier than we expected to be. It was downpouring for a while, cold winds. Got one nice sheep's head, a big walleye, but I wasn't going to film in the rain. This camera's too expensive. Got Rob in his underwear. I'm in my underwear. Jared's in a shower. Drying our clothes out. That's what lights are for. Every light is taken up by a piece of clothing. So figuring it out. We switched up. We went to jigging wraps, and I finally stuck a walleye that way. Jared stuck a nice white bass. We all caught a fish, but I think we're gonna regroup here. We're gonna run to Dick's Sporting Goods and get ourselves regrouped for tomorrow. Get us some good food in us, and
Fuck shit up.
yeah. All right. Have fun. Bye bye. Here we are in the morning.
No way.
It's about 8:15. Jared just woke up.
8:15. It's 8:35.
Wow. Jared's just waking up. We're
Charging
gonna-
my phone. It was charged, but someone decided to
Oh,
play
shit.
games on the fucker all night.
Yeah, I've been up since 6, so I've been playing Angry Birds for the last 2.5 hours. I did eat some breakfast, but so you got about a 20-minute reprieve where I plugged it in.
Yes.
Of course I need to eat. I am fat. And I'm not fat, I'm just big boned.
No, you're fucking full.
Looks very lovely this early in the morning.
Yeah, something like that.
Rob's taking a poop.
Oh boy.
Took mine already.
You're what? Congratulations. How's
Nice zoom
how's it
close
going?
up.
Go away! It's fucking early for this. You fuck.